Oh, so it's that kind of night, huh?
Hi, I'm Mari. Hope you're having a good day, and I hope this video makes today just a little bit better. Okay, so today we are going to be reacting to how dog breeds react to robbers with pictures. wait, what? Golden Retriever.
What's up, bro? Hi. What are you doing?
Robbing you?
Oh, cool. Yeah, I'll show you where she keeps her jewelry.
Okay, wait, why? Why are golden retrievers actually like that though? I never had a Doberman before either, but the golden retriever one I have had, and I can confirm they're very much like that.
Wrong house.
Oh. Okay, wait. Are chihuahuas really that scary? I feel like every time I see a chihuahua, they're always like shaking violently at their own anxiety.
Oh!
Samoyed? What?
Get
What?
sauce!
Huh? Huh? What? What? Huh?
Oh, so it's that kind of night, huh?
So is that kind of night, huh? Yeah, well, get this. Like, what? Why are Jewish Shepherds so funny, though? I cannot. Huskies. I remember when, okay, so I had like a German Shepherd Husky. I kid you not, you guys. Every morning at 6 in the morning, okay, 6 in the morning, that dog would be like, ah! Literally, I'm not even joking.
Hello? Hello, is someone there? Hello?
What? He's so fat. Oh.
Throw it.
Throw it. Huh? Oh, of course. Yeah, no, the Boston Terrier be totally sleeping. That's so true. It smells so bad.
Really?
Really? Yeah.
Wrong house.
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't do that with the pit bull.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Wait.
I was gonna steal from you.
Well, that's not very nice of you. Are you okay?
Honestly, it's been pretty hard, man.
Hey, in the words of Miley Cyrus, nobody's perfect. Come on, let's talk
Huh?
about it.
Huh? Oh no. Okay, but like, why are greyhounds like that though? Like, why are they actually like that for real? Oh my god.
Oh, it's go time, bitch.
Yeah,
Come on, bro.
get him.
Come on! Come on! Come on, fight me! Fight me back! Fight me back!
Big mistake, buddy.
It's always the small dogs, bro.
Please don't hurt me.
Why is it? It's always the small dogs. I swear. Like I don't. Okay, listen. As someone who's also part of itty bitty community, wait, I don't know where that came from. As someone who's also just very small, okay, I can confirm that we do have small animal energy. It's a real thing. Bro, I almost just spat out my water. You can't do that.
Hey. What?
Huh?
Hey!
Hey! Poor
If I could get off
bulldog.
this couch right now, you'd be toast. Let me go for some toast right now. Oh my god! Hi! I'm so sorry about the mess. I was not expecting company. Please, come here.
Such
Come on,
a
sit
happy
down.
dog.
Alright, so tell me everything.
Oh. Oh.
I'm robbing you. Why are you smiling?
Okay, fine, I'll leave.
I don't know why, but for some reason, Shiba Inos are serious, like, sociopaths. I swear. Uh-oh. You messed with the wrong Roddy. Get angry! That's right. Get angry. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna be so fair with you guys. I also had a Roddy. I know, I had a lot of dogs growing up, okay? And that Roddy, her name was Hershey. She was the sweetest Roddy I ever had in my entire life. She, unfortunately, she recently passed away. But she was the smartest, most kindest dog. So I can confirm that was super accurate for a Roddy.
Oh, perfect. Can you get this itch on my back? I cannot get it.
Oh, I would not. I would not. They're so tall.
I'm gonna eat you. You know I could kill you with one hand, right?
Oh.
Please don't. Why shouldn't I? I've got Beyblades. Well, dude, lead with that. Come on,
Yeah,
let's
come
run
on. Why corgis? Okay, I have to do this because of Mochi. Okay, behold everyone, my dog Mochi. She's a very good girl. And I can't confirm. Why is she got such a dumpy? Why is that such a corgi thing?
Hey!
Oh, you messed up, bro.
What the f do you want? I was gonna rob you. Oh my god, that's literally so annoying. Okay,
Yeah.
don't be so mean about it. The attacker has entered my home. Grab the closest object and distract. Once blinded, move forward. Analyze attacker. He has a weak knee. One hand strike.
One hand strike.
Discombobulate.
Oh, get him, bro. Get him. Dude, that was... can we just address that's probably the most OP dog breed of the entire video? Oh?
You know I can see you, right? No, you can't.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
No, you
My
can't.
movement is so slow, I have become invisible
Yeah.
to the naked eye.
Huh? Yeah?
The code to the safe is 4442. Cool, thanks, bro.
That's
Enjoy your meal. Thanks, bro.
Crazy! What is that breed? I've never heard of that one. Basenji.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Cool.
Robbing you? Dude, my neighbor is like 10 times richer. Let's go rob him.
Let's go rob him.
I'm down. Oh my god, hi, a person. Hi. Oh my god, I'm so
Hi?
excited. I'm gonna pee. What? I'm gonna pee.
oh,
Don't. I'm
no.
peeing.
Oh,
Don't.
no.
Ah! Oh, this place is perfect. Look at all this stuff.
Oh no. You messed up, bro.
Why do I hear boss music?
It's a German Shepherd. You better run, bro. Those things don't mess around.
Dude, this place is sweet. We'll be able to hit like 3 more if we... Oh,
Oh
dude,
no.
it has no eyes. Oh, what? Just be really quiet so he can't hear us.
I may be blind, but I can see your hearts.
Dude,
It can speak.
that
What
dog's
the
gonna
fuck?
kill you.
Since losing my sight, I have gained other senses. I can see your soul.
Oh my god.
Your souls are lost and without redemption. You will truly never be the men you were supposed to be.
Who am I supposed to be?
A realtor.
Oh, do me? No, wait. I don't want to know. No, wait.
Wait. I do
Yes, I
want to
do.
know.
You start selling quilts on Etsy with your wife.
Oh, that's nice. Wait, I don't understand. Why are you telling us this?
I am in dire need of your help. The prophecy foretold of your arrival, and only you can help me.
Oh,
I'm ready.
it's like a plot to an anime.
Take me with you. Thor, are you recruiting criminals again?
Yes, Father, I need them.
I need
For
them.
what?
Belly rubs?
Belly rubs.
Oh my God.
Okay, that is adorable. I love it.
Oh, dude, I think somebody broke into the house. What?
It says how Santa breeds react to Santa.
Oh my God, dude, I think somebody broke into the house. What? See?
Oh no.
Look. Dude, isn't that Santa? Oh, dude, I love Santa. He got me treats last year.
Yeah.
He gave me a lump of coal last year.
It's Chihuahua behavior.
Santa, run! And that's why I would be a great addition to your team.
I appreciate that, but we try to do things a little stealthy around here.
Hey, I can be stealthy, okay? I was missing for 4 days and nobody had any idea where I was. I'm not even sorry.
That's so funny. The beagle, bro.
Dude, what are you screaming about?
Oh no, it's the Shiva.
Santa, Max,
What do we got?
kids passed out watching Bluey. Mom and Dad had a bottle of wine last night, so we got about 3 minutes until one of them gets up to pee. Charlie, how we looking upstairs?
Upstairs, clear. How we looking downstairs?
Downstairs is clear.
What?
How we looking outside? No, do not pee down the chimney. I knew I should have stayed at that sheep farm.
It's go time.
What? I just. Why are dogs so awesome? Now, I don't know if they're better than cats. I would love to see a cat compilation of something like this, but dogs are so funny. How many of you own a dog? If so, what kind of dog breeds do you have? I'm curious. If you want to see the uncensored versions of these videos, then check out my Patreon where I upload all uncensored content as well as some other videos on there. And let me know what your thoughts were down in the comments below. And is there anything else you'd like to see on this channel because I upload every single day. And with that, thank you so much for watching. And remember, everything reminds you of something. Bye!